Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dungeon Stalkers crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, won't launch or not launching, not loading or stuck on loading screen, freezing or black screen issue on PC. So let's jump to the solution. The first solution is to simply restart your PC. So simply restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then the second solution is to verify the game files. To do so, right click on Dungeon Stalkers, go to Properties, go to Install Files tab, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And after the verification of the files, you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to try -DX11 or -DX12 in launch options. To do so, open Steam, right click on Dungeon Stalkers game, go to Properties. Now in the launch options, type -DX11, close the tab, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to Properties. This time type -DX12, close the tab. Now launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to Properties, remove this command, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fourth solution is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder, or try running the game in compatibility mode. To do so, open Steam, right click on Dungeon Stalkers game, select Manage Browse Local Files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open Dungeon Stalkers folder, open Binaries folder, open Win64 folder. Now here right click on Dungeon Stalkers Win64 shipping exe file and select Properties. Now go to Compatibility tab, tick mark Run this program as an administrator, hit Apply, OK, and then launch the game from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then again go to Compatibility tab and tick mark Run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, hit Apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then select Windows 7, hit Apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then select Disable Full Screen Optimization option as well, hit Apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. Now when you check mark all these boxes and still your game is not working, then go to Compatibility tab, uncheck all these three boxes, hit Apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fifth solution is to allow the game exe file through Windows securities through the control folder access and Windows Defender firewall. Now to do this, in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down, click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Click Allow an app through control folder access. Click Yes to allow. Click on Add an allowed app. Browse all apps. Now go to Game Installation folder. This PC, C drive, Program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam Apps folder, Common folder. Open Dungeon Stalkers game folder. Now select Dungeon Stalker exe file and click Open to add it to the list. Again click on Add an allowed app, browse all apps. Open Dungeon Stalkers game folder, open Binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select Dungeon Stalker Win64 shipping exe file and click Open to add it to the list. Now go back. Now click on Firewall and Network Protection. Go to Allow an app through firewall. Click on Change Settings, click on Allow another app, click on Browse. Now browse to Game Installation folder, go to this PC, C drive, Program x86, Steam folder, Steam Apps folder, Common folder. Now open Dungeon Stalkers folder, select a Dungeon Stalker exe file, click Open to add it to the list and then click on Add. So in my case it is already added. Again click on Allow another app, browse, open Dungeon Stalkers folder, open Binaries folder, open Win64 folder. Now select Dungeon Stalkers Win64 exe file, click open to add it to the list, click on add. Now after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marks, then click on OK to save changes. Now you can launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus like Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to run the game in dedicated graphic card driver. To do so, in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app. Now browse to game folder, go to C drive, program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, Dungeon Stalkers folder. Now open Dungeon Stalkers game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folders. Select Dungeon Stalker Win64 shipping exe file, click on add, scroll down, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA official website. If you are having AMD graphic card driver, then go to this official AMD website. And if you are having Intel graphic card, then go to the official Intel website. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website. Now once you are on NVIDIA official website, select your version of graphic card driver, then click Windows operating system and then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this get downloaded, run the exe file, click on agree and continue, then check mark custom advanced option and then click on next. And once the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, you can launch the game and check. Eighth solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft official website, scroll down. Now download x86 version and also download x64 version. Now once this get downloaded, then you can double click x64 version, and if you see install button, then install it, and if you see repair option, then repair it. Then again double click on x86 exe file, and if you see install, then install it, and if you see repair option, then repair it, and then you can launch the game and check. Ninth solution is to update Windows. So to do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings, on the left click on Windows update, and then you will see here check for updates. If there are any updates available, then download and install all of them, and then you can restart your PC, and after the restart you can launch the game and check. 10th solution is to uninstall the game. So if none of the solution work for you, then simply uninstall the Dungeon Stalker game from your PC, delete the game folder related to dungeon crawlers, restart your PC and reinstall the game to C drive or SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, try installing it to another SSD drive, or if already installed in another drive such as E drive or F drive, then install in local C drive, and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can fix the Dungeon Stalkers game crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, won't launch, not launching issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, freezing or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.